Have you heard about Dongcheng, Asia, and DCK products? These are brands from the same manufacturer, Jiangsu Dongcheng Power Tools, a Chinese power tool company founded in 1995. These three brands are launched by Dongcheng as sub-brands for different markets or specific segments, but their technology and quality come from the same parent company. Dongcheng produces a variety of power tools and uses the Dongcheng, Asia, and DCK brands to expand its international reach, including in Asia and Africa. Therefore, all three come from the same factory and share similar technology and production standards. The brand classification and market segmentation of Dongcheng, Asia, and DCK are as follows. Dongcheng is a major brand with products that typically offer higher quality and more comprehensive features. This brand is often aimed at professionals and users who demand reliable performance in heavy-duty or light industrial applications. Asia or Dongcheng Asia is usually aimed at the mid-market, with products good enough for semi-professional or mid-range use, including carpenters who need reliable tools, but at a more affordable price. Meanwhile, DCK tends to be a brand that targets the home, creative, or hobbyist segments with more economical products suitable for light, everyday use at home. So, the highest caste is Dongcheng, for the lower middle class there's Asia, and the home or entry-level class is usually DCK. This is a marketing strategy to reach a wide range of consumers, without sacrificing any particular market share. So, now we know one step better, right? Okay, that's it for our video this time. Thank you for your attention. We'll see you again in the next video.